In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete templates in Adobe Sign. If you've ever cleaned up your account or retired an outdated form, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a template from your Adobe Acrobat Sign library, safely and with confidence. First, sign in to Adobe Acrobat Sign and head straight to the Manage page. You'll find Manage in the top menu. This is your central hub for anything you've created or received. Once you're on the Manage page, look to the left panel and open the Templates or Library Templates section. That's where all your reusable templates live. If you have a long list, take a moment to scan or search so you're certain you're working with the right one. It's a good idea to double-check the template name and any relevant details before you proceed, especially if your organization uses similar versions. Next, click the template name to select it. When you do, the Actions panel should appear on the right side of the screen. This panel is your control center for what you can do with the selected template. If you don't immediately see the Actions panel, make sure the template is highlighted. You may also need to expand the right side panel if it's collapsed. When you're ready to remove the template, click Delete in the Actions panel. Adobe Acrobat Sign will ask you to confirm this choice in a pop-up dialog. Click Delete again to finalize. After you confirm, the template is permanently removed from your account. There isn't an undo for this, so be certain you no longer need it before confirming. A practical safeguard is to verify that no one on your team still relies on that template. A few important notes will help you avoid surprises. Only the person who originally created the template, or an account administrator, can delete it. If the delete button is missing, that usually means you didn't create the template, or you don't have permission to remove it. In that case, check that you're signed in with the correct account, or reach out to your administrator to handle the deletion. Finally, removing a template does not affect any agreements that have already been sent using that template. Those existing agreements continue to function and remain available based on their own status and retention settings. You're simply cleaning up the library so it reflects what your team actually needs going forward. And that's it. Sign in, go to Manage, open Templates, select the template, and confirm Delete. Clean, clear, and permanent.